Hey everyone, in today's video I am putting in these 3D wall stuff that I purchased on Amazon Prime Day. They're going to be amazing, so my plan is to put them here behind my behind this. So when I'm doing the talking heads, I have this view and I have that view, which is just a plain background, but it's going to be nice with all these 3D art. Comment down below what to put on these shelves. It's gonna be nice. So at the moment it's just a bunch of stuff, and yeah, so soundproofing is good. Soundproofing, because I'm gonna do the talking heads there. All right, so you guys, these are the 3D art that I'm talking about. So I bought the 33 pieces one box. Link down below if you want to purchase this one. This one will go into this wall. Oops. Go into this wall. They're very light. These are made with super thin. So I'm just going to use a 3M transparent tape. Just put them in the middle. This place is not really permanent. So I'm just going to stick it in the middle and stick it on the wall, and I can just take it whenever I want to move out in this place. So that's the whole process.
Few moments later.
All right, you guys, so it's done. Took me like, what, half an hour? So I had the help. See, it's just, it's not taped totally. It's just the middle one. If you're planning to add these 3D wallpaper, just do the same thing as I did, and it looks amazing, right? I just put these RGB lights below to add these little bit of a glow behind it, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna show you. That is how it looks like without the RGB. It's still nice. Give you that, you know, very soft 3D background that you're looking for. But I like it, man. I like it when there's, you know, a little bit of RGB behind the wall. So it's really great. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm really happy how it turned out. It's quite nice, and I can work here, I can work over there, facing the wall or facing the other side of this office. If you are planning to buy this and thinking that they're going to soundproof your place, your work office or your gaming room, they're not going to soundproof anything. These are PVC plastic, and if you're looking to decrease that reverb in your area, that's not gonna, no. You have to buy an acoustic foam to decrease the reverb or the echo in your area. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Maybe this video helped you a lot. Comment down below if you have any questions, suggestions, what to put on my shelf right over there. And yeah, as always, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.